So that's how you see, guys, my setup is still unchanged. I'm still using my unit Nova from Nime. My KEF are 5 speakers. But I got something new. So from around 1 month, something like that, I got that sub. I'm testing it. This is 7X from T series from REL. It's in the middle because the series have a 3 subwoofers. I took this one because I'm not see on YouTube so many reviews about this one. Always is lots of reviews about this T5X and T9X. This is like in the middle, you know. So one thing I have to tell you about that sub, the quality, okay? When you're going to REL Acoustic home web page and you see that sub, the pictures will not give you the real look, how it looks in the real life. It's really looks like some kind of precious. It's really good quality. The size is quite tiny, it's quite small, you know, and I'm really surprised with the quality of that. This back plate feels very solid on the back of the subwoofer. All these filters, volume controls, these knobs working so smooth, you know. You got like tick 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 tick. You can go with them like millimeter by millimeter to make very accurate position. It's not moving or something. It feels like everything is from metal. Very well made. Even I was afraid about these logos here, you know. You got on the driver, you got on top, you got all around on the feet. But no, not really. You know, when you're sitting on sofa or something, you just see the driver, and when you're standing, you can see on the top this logo. This logo on top, this is metal as well. It's called. Looks gorgeous. Looks gorgeous. This feet, I thought it will be from something cheap, but they are called like aluminium. They made from aluminium, from some kind of metal maybe. And this logo on it is not so much visible, you know. You can see them from close, but when you see far away or something, you just see the silver color and that's it. So it's not really annoying. I like the design in full, you know. This sub has 20 centimeters driver. And from the bottom you got this bigger 25 centimeters radiator, passive driver. So the power amplifier, this is 200 watts, but a B class. And I can say it's quite nice, match my R5 speakers. But when you're going on the REL Acoustic web page, basically you can check what you should get for your speaker. So basically on this web page it's saying, when I will put details, it's saying I should get this T9X. But this one for my room is enough, okay? So the most important now, how it sounds, okay? I am not a lover of cinema, home cinema. I'm stick only to the stereo, that's how you see. In the past I have receivers, of course. Even I want to say this is my first subwoofer, but it's not. Almost 20 years ago, I had one subwoofer. That was one of the flagship from Yamaha, YST 320, I think. Similar power, but bigger driver. If I will see some picture, I will find some picture, I will put it here somewhere, and we show you which one is, which one was it. I had connected to Yamaha receiver with, again, speakers from Kef, that was Q5. In the past, Q5, it wasn't bottom line, it was like second from bottom. I always loved that speakers. I had many years them. Yeah. You can even buy them today on the eBay quite cheap, maybe 150 pounds, 250, it depends how they look. So at this time, many years ago, I remember I wasn't know too much about high fidelity music, but I was feeling is something wrong when I was listening music with subwoofer. So I remember I usually turn it off, this subwoofer, only when watching videos, movies. I was turning on, to get this bass, effects. And I was thinking now, I'm doing good taking that sub or not, because they have special connection on the back. Yeah, you got this something new design cable. You don't need to connect to your LFE output, or you don't need any RCA cables. You will get that cable, special cable design in the box together with that sub. So I connected, and also the other end I connecting this to the speakers. You can connect straight to your power amp output, but it's easy, much easier for me connect to the speakers. It's the same signal. So how it's play? Almost brilliant. Okay, I was watching even some videos, some movies on the Netflix, because I'm watching every week. But for that setup, it was give you this power, this not just low end, just more bass, and this videos, these movies was for me maybe bigger pleasure to watching. Okay. But about stereo, okay, that's what I'm listening. The sound was more powerful, The sound stage was going bigger, and also you're feeling like your system has much more power. It gives me a little bit more, and okay, don't forget that sub going, they stated 30 Hertz, I think minus 6 dB. But usually when I'm listening music with this sub, I turning this filter to 30 dB, but still passing, the sub still passing, making this lower frequency, which is very nice, very low, and nice matching my speakers. Okay, so I need to put little bit volume up on the sub to make adequate level of sound, yeah. But it's good, it's good. I was trying this sub, turning around, put to the corner, this side, that side, and turn it around, with driver to the wall, just, to check the differences. Maybe I'm losing something, So I was putting everywhere. So one thing I don't like when a sub is close to me, okay? I got sofa, I don't like when I'm sitting and sub can be behind you or on the side or anywhere close to you, because I feel the difference, the sound not coming from the speaker, and it's a little bit like disturbing me, I'm not feeling comfortable and my ears doesn't like it, just doesn't like it. So overall, sub is just fantastic. This is something brilliant, well done, quality, top notch, But I got also I find some issues. So not every single song play better, okay? I don't know, just with this sub, if I will get more expensive sub, it will be the same or not. But when I was listening some songs, which basically the bass was a little bit worse. I don't mean it was low in volume, no. The volume was bigger and it was damaging this original bass, when speakers playing, making this different tones of bass. sometimes with this soup, just killing speakers, what I want to say, you will not feel this texture sometimes, okay? You will not feel the differences in bass, like a boom, 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 boom. The sub will cover this bass in the speakers and will be like one boom or two differences. But in original song, for example, I got like 5 different level of bass, you know. So that sometimes I wasn't happy with that, okay? I don't know, I think I told you everything about that soup. I definitely love it, okay? That soup you on the REL acoustic you got very often discounted up to £150, I think. Sorry, I'm not advertising anything, just saying if you would like to purchase something like that. But yes, I am surprised. I like the sound. I like how it looks. I like quality because it's really good quality. It's really good. Okay, guys. So for today, I think that's it. If I will purchase something new, and I will probably, that's my hobby, I will make some video. I will tell you my experience with that equipment. And if you like, just subscribe, you will not missing any videos, and you can leave a like. Okay, so that's it for today. See you, bye.